Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to rename column and table. One request to you, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. Let us assume we have a table called employee with this structure. So let's create employee table. Employee table created. Let's insert sample data into employee table. For record inserted, let's validate first. Here data is populated in employee table. Now let us suppose we want to rename created date to inserted date. So let's have a look how we can rename column name. We will do using alter statement. Here write alter table, then table name, after that rename column, then old name to new name. Here created date is old name and inserted date is new column name. So let's execute this statement. Statement is successful. Now let's validate. Here inserted date, created date become inserted dates. Now let us suppose we want to rename table name. How we can rename? Simple, alter table, then old table name, here in our case employee, then rename to, we want to rename employee to emp underscore table name. So let's execute. Our table is already exist, so first drop this table. Right here drop table name. Now table drop. Now let's execute this again. Here is employee table becomes emp underscore table name. So let's validate. Statement successful and here is data populated with emp table. Check this table as well. Right here select star from this. Here this table does not exist because this employee table become now emp underscore table. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.